Welcome friends. So in this tutorial of Solidworks we are going to see like if you made previously a part, how can you open it and how can you name the part. So let's open the part which you made it previously. So in this way you can open the part which have you been saved previously, and you can see that now you can give names or some you can write something on this workspace, and you can how can you save it as a JPG file or an image file. So we are going to see that. So we are going to make a note here or somewhere, like how can you write your name or something which you want to describe, like a name, date of like when you created. So how to do that? So click on this arrow, so you will get this menu options. Here go for insert, and here you have to go for annotations. Here go for note. So you have to click on the note button, so you will get this box. So whenever you like to place it, you can place it like also what have you made like this. It is a box. You can click like this also, or you can do just make it here and you can write your name. And it when you create it, so it's March 3rd 2018. You can change font size, font. So there are so many options which you can try it. So you have if you put this, what you have to do, you have to click on this right. It is there. Now as you can see, I have done like this to where it's come, I don't know. So what can happen if you done mistakes, or if you double click it, you can edit it again. And if you want to remove this, what you have to do, just click on this and click the button delete on the keyboard. You can make it delete. So in this way you can make and write something about the product, or who made this, when you made it, like whatever you want to write, you can write it on the screen of this. So now we are going to see how can you save it. So let's see that. So if you want to save, like this will going to, if you click on this save, it will going to save as a file of SolidWorks file. But if you want to save it as a picture, so what you have to do, go for here, save as, click on save as. Now here you can see there are some much different files. So I know IGES is used for like for importing this to ANSYS file or somewhere, something like that. There are CATIA graphics, so there are so many. So you have to find like JPG. So there is PNG, TIF, and JPG. Like they will give image format. So I'm going to use TIF. So it's going to save with file name rec13di.tif, the folder SolidWorks ME09. You click on save. So it has been saved. So let's check it. So this is a file which you have saved like as an image, and as it TIF, it's 4.17 MB, because TIF is like highest resolution, I think so. Like it's very, the resolution power is very high for TIFs. So this video is for these two things only, like how can you save it and how can you write some note in the file. So that's all for this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos of SolidWorks and other categories. So thank you for watching the video.